Hi you guys, it's Megan again here at the Green River Chamber of Commerce. So we are still going over the chamber member benefits that you guys are getting when you pay your chamber annual dues. So this one we're going to be talking about the Tollgate e-newsletters. So we have two that we are currently doing. We have the Tollgate member, which is the ones that you guys receive. It has other member information, anything that you guys need to know about like health orders that are currently going on, um, PPP loans, any information like that that pertains to members, we have in that e-newsletter. So you guys are basically very familiar with that one. So what I'm going to go over more is the Tollgate Community e-newsletter. So under on our website, under Chamber, we have the newsletter archive. This is where we are keeping the newsletters that we've done for the public to go back and look at. So March 4th was the very first one that we launched. And this is what it looks like. Let's fix this so that you guys can see it a little better. Okay, so our Tollgate community goes out to a currently building list of community members. It has all of your guys' information in it that you guys send us or you let us know about events, anything like that. So this was the very first one. This is what it looked like. We've made some major upgrades into it, such as like really, I'm so sorry, I say all the time, you guys. Sorry about that. We are displaying in the very bottom of the Tollgate community, we have events, and we are listing, I'm trying to build all of the events that I know that are going on. So if you guys can definitely get your stuff to me, I can definitely get it in there. The Tollgate community goes out every Saturday compared to your guys's every Thursday. So we do have Pet of the Month. This is a featured animal from Red Desert Humane Society each month. And so here's another great way. If you guys offer, for advertising, if you guys offer any kind of pet services, like Castle Rock Veterinarian Hospital, of course, offers veterinarian services. So they're getting $20 off of a service when you adopt the Pet of the Month. So that is neat. So if you offer any kind of pet service or pet products, anything, definitely reach out to us and let us know, and then we can put this coupon on there. Like, say you sell dog collars or something like that, and you'll give a buy one get one 50% off or something like that. I will include that coupon in here, and then the public will see this, and that not only gives them more incentive to adopt an animal who's really wanting a home at the Red Desert Humane Society, it also gives you business and a potential chance for repeat customers, as well as potential customers that are looking at the Tollgate community, and they wonder, what do your colors even look like? So they go into your store or your website and they check out your colors, and that could be a potential customer for you. So definitely let me know if you have stuff, and I will put it in here, because that would be super exciting to be able to get you guys new customers, because they're looking at the Tollgate and they just see this little coupon down here and they just wonder what your products look like. Or they're looking for a new vet and your coupon's here, and they think, wow, that's really amazing that they'll give a coupon rewarding people who shop, or don't shop, they adopt. So it keeps local. It gets these pets out at Red Desert Humane Society a wonderful, amazing home. So definitely let me know, and I will get this put in there, and hopefully you guys will get more customers, new customers. So like we put chamber news in here, of course. So like River Festival we got going on in August. We are also putting our sponsors on here. We're getting ready to do, like, in about July, we'll do a big River Festival Tollgate community themed one, and it'll have all of our sponsors, and I'm going to put links to all of their websites and Facebook pages and stuff like that. So if you guys are thinking about sponsoring River Festival, definitely do it, because you're going to get a lot more advertising, because we're doing advertising on all kinds of different platforms. But right now we're talking about this, so I need to remember to stay on topic. Okay, so we definitely have all of our stuff in there. We have community fun. We're trying to engage with the community. So we have the Wyoming Game and Fish Department has the YO 100 and Inspire a Kid checklist. So before we got our really super neat poster-sized scratch off uh, of the checklist here at the chamber, I was making these that we could do like a weekly one, and hopefully the community would send pictures. So this is something fun. It's trying to engage with the community. Uh, if I still plan to highlight in the most current ones. I still plan to highlight certain things every like maybe month or so. And so if we're getting ready to highlight something, so let's see. So for the YL100 kid checklist, it has like fun things such as set up a trail camera. Oh, you guys sell trail camera? Wow, that way I butchered that. Trail cameras? Let me know. I can list it here where to get them. And then that potentially gives you more customers because they're trying to see fun things and they see that. How about, let's see, volunteer with a local conservation group. I could throw that in here if you're looking for volunteers. Let's see. Sleep outside. What do you need to sleep outside? Typically, people are going to buy a sleeping bag. They're going to buy a tent. So if you sell those things, let me know. And then I can throw that stuff in here. If you're going to have a special on it, let me know. If you want to work out a special just for that, let me know. So that's just a couple things. There are a lot of things on this list. The list is really neat. And if you have kids, I definitely recommend swinging up here at the chamber to pick up a YO100 checklist because they're really cool. So for our retail stores, if you guys have a website or you guys are doing like weekly flyers, stuff like that, definitely send it to me. Let me have the link and I will throw stuff in here, and then like for Kima's Quilts, pops right on over to our top sellers for the month. Whoops, I X'd out the wrong thing. That's fun. Okay, I gotta back up. That was funny. Okay, so community news. We're letting the community know about anything you guys have going on. So, like, during March 4th, the Memorial Hospital had a health fair going on. So we definitely posted that in there. Trout Unlimited around at Seed City was going to be having a fly fishing film tour, which they are, again, going to be down at Expedition Island on, I believe it's June 5th, doing stuff with that. So definitely check that out. All West Communications, Sweetwater County Development Center, Child Development Center, Horse Palace, Golden Hour, and Young at Heart have their stuff in here, as well as the community or the Sweetwater Historical Museum. Here's the events I was talking about. So this was the very first one. So the events kind of look like not what I was describing just a minute ago. So let's go ahead and go back, and we'll grab our most latest one. Okay, so we are involving the community again in fun events that we have going on. Sorry, someone came in. Okay, so again, talking about our events that we have going on. Our sponsors. See, so here are our sponsors. They're being lit up. If I click on this, it's going to go right to Union Pacific's webpage. That way, you guys are getting exposure on your websites and your views and everything like that, and or your Facebook pages. So monthly member spotlights again, highlighted in here. Again, pet of the month. Once again, looking for pet-based businesses for coupons so that we can get people in there. Chamber News, we are highlighting all of our like Serenity One Sanctuary's open house that was happening, the Grace House ribbon cutting. We post pictures with thank you for involving us in your big day. Again, here is our Wyoming Kid thing. Here's some more info on their outdoors wildlife that they were having going on. Camping information. So this would be a really great place if you have any promotions going on for like camping gear or hiking gear or anything like that. send it to me or post it in the Tollgate member Facebook group, and I will get it and I will put it on here because we've had so many people in here already wanting information on this stuff. Again, here's our retail stores that we got going on. Community news, like Shred Day at Commerce Bank on the 19th. Stellar Coffee. Green River Christian Academy. Overland Stage Stampede Rodeo. Excited about that one. Now, here I've kind of set up already the events. I'm trying to like build it out more at this point. In our May ones that we have going out, I won't post May on the website until after May is over. But this is kind of what I'm trying to like work towards. It has all of this information. It has even months in advance. So that's very important. I feel that gives people time. So if you have an event happening, say in July, and you want everybody to know about it, send it to us or post it on the Tollgate member group, and we will get it in here. And then if you have tickets or anything, make sure that you definitely post that link too, because then I post at the bottom like get your tickets or something, and your link right to directly to your ticket sales is there. So that is what I'm trying to build out with the events. So that's definitely something that you want to take advantage of. This one doesn't look as extravagant as the May ones that are going out right now because of I was still working on them. So definitely, if you haven't already signed up for the Tollgate community one, definitely sign up for it because it's a nice e-newsletter, and we have people who come in and talk about the promotions that we had going on or the information we had in it. So definitely people are looking at it. So that is basically all the information for the Tollgate e-newsletters. I didn't go over the Tollgate member one because you guys already received that and you already know what it's basically like. And especially with the Tollgate member group, you guys are already connecting with each other and know what's going on. So I didn't really want to go over that one because you guys know, but the Tollgate community is turning out great. The subscriptions are getting higher every day, so definitely send us your information, and this is going to be a great resource for you guys. So that's all for the Tollgate e-newsletters. In the next video, I'm going to be talking about referrals that we do, such as like over the phone referrals, in person, and emails. So definitely make sure to watch that video to go over that benefit. Okay, thanks guys.